loves, how are you guys doing today? I hope everybody is doing well and everybody is enjoying their summer, because I know school's gonna start soon and college and all these things that you have to go back to, some people back to work and all. Yeah, today I am bringing you a eye look. That's why I look like this. I have foundation on, my eyes are set, eyebrows on, and my face in flat because I don't have nothing on but foundation. So yeah, you're gonna hear a blowing noise. Excuse that, it's the air conditioning because I don't want to melt. So yeah, let's get in with this. Today I'm bringing you a eye look with the mini breaker from Jeffree Stars. I love his products. I couldn't get a hold of the jawbreaker. For some reason it's out of stock. I cannot get it. I don't know why. It's just giving me problems. And I also picked up the gloss, and it is in the shade Legends Only. And this is the shade. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to give you some swatches. And let me open it. I said if I cannot get a hold of the jawbreaker, I'll get this one. Has a mirror, goes all the way back, and these are the shades. Beautiful. I really love it. I'm looking towards the probably purple. Yeah. So these are the names. Let me put my glasses on. And the names are Double Scoop, Orange Crush, Foreplay, Oral, Purple Punch, Slice, Bubblegum, Bite Me, and Hot Fudge. I'm going to give you some swatches. I'm going to go 3, 3, 3. You guys already know. Let me give you a swatch of the lip gloss. This beautiful packaging. I love his packaging. So let's go into this video. If you're new, hello, my name is Liz and welcome to my channel. And if you guys are already here, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this video. So you know what to do. Grab a snack, your favorite drink, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. I don't know if I'm gonna do a voiceover or if I'm gonna write everything that I'm doing somewhere around here in the screen. So yeah, let's get on with it. Let me put my headband, which is 2-in-1 kitten ears with a mermaid vibes. You guys already know. I'm gonna go in first as a transition color. I'm gonna go in with this color, which is Foreplay, and I'm gonna put that higher, a bit higher than my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with Purple Punch, which is this one. I'm gonna go in with this one to darken my outer corner and start pushing it a little towards my inner corner, but not quite as much. now I'm taking Oral, this beautiful shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that in the middle of my eyelid, basically creating a halo look. I'm gonna take a little bit of Hot Fudge and I'm gonna just smoke out my lower lash line just a tiny bit, and in the middle to the inner corner I'm gonna be applying bubble gum. I'm gonna go off camera really quick, do my blush, contour, I'm gonna do my mascara and eyeliner, and I will be right back. Okay, what I have to say about this palette, I really love it. I love everything about it. I love the texture, I love the formula, I love how it applies, I love how it blends together. I truly love this palette. I cannot wait to dig into this pink one because you already know I love pink. And yeah, I look beautiful. I love this eye look that I created with the purples. I applied a yellow liner on my bottom waterline. I've been obsessed with yellow this summer. So, but yeah, this I really truly love it. If you guys don't have it and you cannot get your hand on the big one, I really recommend this one. I just truly love everything about it. The lip gloss, I love it. Not sticky. It's, oh my god, it's so smooth, so yummy, so delicious. It makes your lips look hydrated and really bumlicious. New word. Yeah, this is what I created. I hope you guys like it. If you do, do not forget to give me thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. And until my next video, love you guys so much. If you're going through something, head up, it will pass. I assure you of that. If you're going through something and you cannot handle it on your own, please look for professional help or talk to someone that you trust and vent. Do not hold things in. Sometimes that does more damage than what you think. I love you guys so much. Mwah. I applied a yellow liner in the lower and my house phone never rings until I'm recording. Bypass that.